Most lists of the best gear are just people repeating the same three talking points. But I decided to take a serious look at why one specific mid-range digital piano keeps winning every single recommendation. When you are looking at spending $700, you deserve more than just a brand name and a plastic shell. The real magic of this particular model is hidden inside the key mechanism itself. They use their high-end standard action, which features something called a mechanical release. On a traditional acoustic grand piano, there is a very specific feeling when you depress a key slowly. You feel a tiny, subtle notch or release point. It is a mechanical necessity in the real world. But in the digital world, it is a luxury. Most instruments at this price point feel like pressing a button on a remote control. But this one mimics that physical feedback perfectly. This allows a player to develop a real sense of touch and control over those very soft, delicate notes. Beyond that physical feeling, there is a sophisticated 3-sensor system working under the hood. Most of the competing brands at this price level only use 2 sensors, with only 2 points of contact. The piano is basically guessing how fast your finger is moving between the top and bottom of the stroke. By adding that 3rd sensor, this instrument captures the nuance of your playing with much higher accuracy. It creates a much wider range of volume and tonal color. What really blows my mind is that this is the exact same key system found in their luxury models that cost $400 more. You are getting a premium playing surface while keeping a lot of money in your pocket. There is a bit of a trap when it comes to the wireless features though. People see the Bluetooth label and assume they can pair their favorite wireless headphones for silent practice. That is not going to happen. The wireless connection is only for sending audio from your tablet to the piano speakers, or for using specialized teaching apps. If you want to listen to your playing through headphones, you are still going to be tethered by a traditional cable. It is a detail that catches a lot of buyers off guard after they get the box home. You also have to remember that the price on the tag is not the total cost of ownership. You will likely want a proper furniture-style stand and a high-quality pedal that actually stays in place while you play. These additions add up quickly. Even with those extra costs, the core experience is hard to ignore, while other companies are simplifying their mechanical parts to save on production. This brand decided to keep the professional feel intact. It is a rare case where the product actually lives up to the massive amount of hype it receives online. It is a workhorse designed for people who care more about the way their fingers interact with the keys than fancy lights or hundreds of useless sound effects. Sometimes the simplest solution is the best one, because it focuses on the fundamentals of the instrument. It is about the connection between your hands and the music. This machine bridges that gap better than almost anything else in its category. You can tell that the engineers prioritize the tactile experience over gimmicks. That commitment to articulation depth is what sets it apart. It handles subtle note repetitions with a grace that usually requires a much bigger investment. For anyone moving from an old keyboard to something serious, this jump in quality is going to be immediately obvious. It is not just about making sound. It is about how that sound responds to your intent. Finding a real tool like this feels like a major win for any musician.